What is up, everyone? My name is GaryRGrayJr, and I wanted to reintroduce myself because a lot has changed in the last few years.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Hey, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah.
Alright, so my name is Gary and I am from Nova Scotia, Canada, specifically Preston, which is the largest Black community in Canada. I also want to share with you that I'm currently living in the Philippines, where I call home now. I spent a lot of time in Kuwait, then I went to Singapore, and I did all of that with my beautiful wife. I taught for 8 years. I never really was that good at math. I think it was 9 years. I taught for 9 years. I spent the first few years teaching 2nd grade, and then I moved into 3rd grade. I taught 3rd grade for the majority of my teaching career. I absolutely love hanging out with kids, teaching them, learning with them, having conversations with them, a lot more than I do with adults, to be honest. I also just love the idea of how smart kids are, and I just love hearing what their thoughts are on the world as well. Most recently, I quit teaching. Actually, I don't know, quitting is such a weird word. Recently, I decided to stop teaching because I got an opportunity to write books. Now, this is where the journey has changed so much for me. About a year ago, I got a contract to write books, and I am super excited for you to come along on that journey. Through this channel, hopefully I will be able to share with you what that journey looks like, answer questions about publishing, show you a little bit about my writing journey, also help kids and adults understand what it looks like to write books. Within all of that, I also want to just share with you some of the things I do on a regular basis. I am a regular human, so I do human things. Like, I really love donuts and going for a run. I also really enjoy drawing, and I love shoes. There's so many things I want to share with you, but hopefully now that I have this channel back up and running, I'll be sharing with you once or twice, or maybe 3 times a week. I don't know, we'll see. I don't want to put a number on it, but I will be sharing with you more on this channel. Hopefully you don't mind hanging out with me. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and I'll see you next time. Peace.